Welcome! In front of me is a CUBOT R15 and today I'll show you how to enable power saving mode. So the simplest way would be to pull down the notification panel like so, and for me power saving mode is on the second page, which is called battery saver, and you can simply tap on it and then select turn on, and now the battery is in power saving mode. You can also hold it to go into the settings, and here you can also see other options. And you can see battery saver is on. Then you have also intelligent power saving, which is by default enabled. And you have a couple other options, but the simplest way to enable it is from basically the notification panel where you have the icon. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just tap on it again and it becomes gray like the rest of the icons. And you can also see that the battery has no more red outline. So now it's disabled. And yeah, that is basically how you would enable and disable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.